So I've just come here in the railway station to receive my relatives that came from Silchar. So I'm just right now in the AC room waiting for their train. So let's see where they are. It will take 10 minutes to from this beautiful waiting room in the Coachbihar station. They will charge rupees 10 per hour. So you can wait until your. So finally, the announcement has been made, and the train is arriving platform number two. So I'm waiting number two. This train is Tista Tosha Express going to Shielda, and from this direct, let's see, car B1. I think this is B1. Yeah. अबे कहाँ भाग रहा है रुक जा कहाँ है आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ हाय फिश